So unfortunately, I live in a state that salts the roads, and what salt does is kill cars. I'd like to try to prevent this, so I'm going to do this video. This 3-pack of fluid film cost me about 40 bucks. This pack included these wipes, which I don't really care, but it did include this little 360-degree spray nozzle that connects to the can. Let's see if I can't get you all a demo. So that when you use it, say up in a tight place, it sprays everywhere. Before spraying, I'm going to show what it's like. The most obvious piece of rust is this right here. I think I can replace just this bit, but strangely, this must be galvanized or something because this piece must not be. The winch mount has a little surface spot rust here and there, no big deal. This is what my lower control arm and suspension looks like. I'm going to take a good bit of care to make sure not to get the brake rotor, but I am going to try to get up there where the strut is. I'm also not going to be spraying the exhaust. I believe it's not rated for those kind of temperatures. I'm just giving you an idea. Here's a little bit of surface rust here. Now, this is on a 3-year-old car, so it's not bad, but it definitely could be better. It looks like the front surface, this will get a lot of spray in winter. The sway bar looks good. I'm gonna get all I can in there. I'm not going to be getting the plastic underbody panels because it won't do much good. I might put that 360 nozzle in and spray a little bit. I am going to get extra care on the bottom of the front fenders. You're looking at it from underneath right now. And the reason is I've seen a lot of rust in that area. And same area on the back. I'm going to go ahead and document as best I can in this video what the current state of the vehicle is as far as rust. And I'm planning to do a yearly update. I'll call this year 0 and do another next year. But the fluid film, I've heard good things, but I don't have any first-hand experience, so I thought I'd find out myself. It's a rust and corrosion protection lubricant, blah blah blah. What happens is you spray it on and it lasts, supposed to last all winter, but we'll see. That's what this video is for. This is the jack point. You can actually see where I've scraped it and whatnot. Yeehaw. Moving to the middle of the car, I just want to point out there's not a lot of damage under here. I'll point out this clip I have of me dragging the car across a pipe. But you can see it didn't cause a lot of damage. I think most of it was actually this bit of scraping right here, because the car seemed to just slide on this plastic. So it's not exactly a skid plate, but it did well. Looking up in the tunnel for the drive shaft, looks pretty good. I'm going to spray the center differential carrier bearing. Everything looks pretty good. From where I'm sitting, there's some minor surface rust, and I would like to keep it that way. Ooh, look at that. Yeah, that's going to be good. This is my aftermarket lift kit. This bit you're looking at right here, it's probably the worst rusted piece on the car. So, unfortunately, I can't say that the coating they put on is very good. At least it's not as good as the factory stuff. So I'll splice in a scene right here showing all the spraying that I did. And then I'm going to let the car dry off for a few hours so it's all dry. There's been no salt on the roads yet because it's actually still decently nice out. I'm actually wearing a t-shirt right now, although I am wearing pants. So what do we call that? 65, 75 degrees? But there's been no salt on the roads yet, so this should be a good time to do it. I'm going to try my best to get it under there, spray everything. And then, like I said, I'm letting it drip dry right now, although it's probably pretty dry already. And then I'm going to cover as best I can everything under here. And I'll check back. I think I'll do a half-year update, so I'll check back at the end of winter, and then I'll check back next October. That'll be October 2020, and see how it's looking. Check, 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 check.
My sugar dumpling's getting thirsty. Wants me to buy her a bottle of gin. She likes my kick-ass El Camino, my rebel flag cookie tin. She shows high class even in her hobbies. The NASCAR tattoo on her upper thigh. Naked on cuffs just last December for drinking Jim Beam and wielding the knife. Yes, she was now. I'm saying now. She ain't my trailer park princess, my mobile home queen. She's got a bleached tail with them black roots, and her ass is hanging out of jeans. Spends her days playing Keno, always a Marlboro in her mouth. She scratches her crabs walking through the Walmart. Her hairline grows into her unibrow, I swear it does. Now she's living on the welfare. She downs her whiskey with the government cheese. Trades her food stamps for the redneck crack. My baby loves her methamphetamines, oh yes she does it. She ain't my trailer park princess, my mobile home queen. She's got a bleached tail with black roots, and her ass is hanging out of jeans. She's my trailer park princess, my mobile home queen. She's got a bleached tail with them black roots, and her ass is hanging out her Carhartt cut off jeans.
So that was 2 cans, front and back. 3 cans is definitely the right number, especially if you are doing this car, because now I'm going to get all the really tight areas with that guy. Hi, Nibbler. See what it's doing?
Yeah.
Okay. But I just kind of wanted to show that this works great, because I just now started using it, and I should have used it from the beginning. Like all these little tight areas. I thought about it, and this hitch is actually the oldest piece on the car because it came from the other car, the first car. Let's see if this helps. Okay, so things I learned. I didn't use this until last, and I should have been using it from the beginning. Hold on to this. This thing is so valuable just on its own. I can just use cans from in the future as long as I have that little 360 nozzle. It does a great job of spraying. All the car is sprayed down now. The only thing worth noting, other than, like I said, there's a slight odor, is there's a little bit of a film. You can see it here easiest. I don't know if I overdid it there, or if that's just what it looks like. If that's the side effect, I'm okay with that. I wouldn't put this on like the main painted body of the car, but if that's what it looks like underneath, that's fine with me. I'll be checking in periodically and showing what it looks like as winter progresses. So again, this is October 15th, 2019, And this is what this chassis looks like. Stay tuned.